what's up, people of the social media and the internet? It's a good day here at Compostela. Here in Compostela, very witty of them for the name. For today's episode of Street Peeps, we go out here in this party to ask people very, very random questions. When ka nakadecide nga ka na mong isuot?
Well, actually, yesterday lang.
Miss Beautiful, o sa'y pangan sa imong outfit for the night?
Pamwak-buwak look.
O sa'y pangan sa imong outfit karon?
Square pants.
O sa may pangalan sa imong outfit nga gisuot karong gabi una?
The inserting here, the polo shirt and the shorts and the stockings and the bootsy.
Ano sa ka nakadecide nga kana mong isuot?
Ganihal lang. Before ko ni Are. Yeah.
Kasi pangan sa imong outfit karong gabi una? Very brief and concise ang iyang tubag. Pila na nimo kaadlaw giandaman imong outfit karong gabi una?
Actually, mga 2 months ko nag-ready kay ganahan kay kumakita sa mga idol nila!
Kinsa imong gihuwat nga mo perform karong gabi una?
One of the people here in Compostela. One of the people here in Compostela.
Kinsa imong gihuwat nga mo perform karong gabi una?
Si Himalaya! Oh my God! Asa nakalit?
Kinsa gihuwat nimo mo perform karong gabi una?
Si Pipo Daradal.
O tanatag balik, unsay pangan sa imong outfit karong gabi una?
Yeah.
Ikaw mga pinaka-chicks na nakita nako diri karong gabi una. Kurt Fake, kasi gihuwat nimo mo perform karong gabi una?
Wala ilain pa kundi si Pipo Dardal.
Kasi gihuwat nimo mo perform karong gabi una?
Si Kuan, Pipo, kato bitong Kuan, best influencer of 2017 onwards. Kato siya.
Kasi gihuwat nimo perform karong gabi una?
Nas malaya, pero ang hiwat kay si Pipo!
So that's it for today's episode of Street Peeps. Random questions have been answered here at Compostela, here in Compostela. Very witty of them for the name. Tweet me at Pipo Dradal if you have more questions or very random questions you want people to answer. And follow me in all my social media accounts. Wow, plug, shameless plug, at Pipo Dradal. Right now I'm gonna be enjoying the party because everything's starting to be lit. Now I don't know the words to say, so let's just cut this and let's go to the party. What, Kepong ko?